My name is Lipi Mukhopadhyay. I am a faculty at the Indian Institute of Public Administration, Delhi, India. Our institute is actually specialized in inculcating training, imparting training to civil servants. And I am a trainer, researcher for the past 2 decades. Disaster mitigation or disaster reduction is one of my areas of interest that I have been working. In the past, I have worked in 2 disasters that took place in India. One was in Odisha, that was a super cyclone. Another was in Bhuj, Gujarat, that earthquake. I reviewed those 2 events and I learned that basically disaster affects everybody, but women and children get affected the most by any disaster. My work on gender issues, out of my field work and experience working for the community well-being, has given enriched experience. That's the reason I feel to understand and to know more about these issues. How do they affect women and men differently? I endeavor and I attempt to do research on these areas. My paper was Gender Issues and Climate Change in India. Climate change may be just started. It's just a new area of research, but in India we experience multiple impacts on communities variably in different places. I reviewed 2 places because of the drought and insufficient crop production in Maharashtra, in Vidarbha, and also in Rajasthan, Jhalwar district. These 2 areas I visited and collected data, and in that connection I came to know, due to dry land and due to unproductive land, the farmers commit suicide because they are under the pressure of debt, and due to insufficient production they could not repay the debt. So women do have to bear with these impacts when their men really perish, and the children and the whole family members are dependent on the single woman in the family. In these 2 areas, after experiencing this, I feel that any policy on disaster reduction should pay special attention to these socio-economic, environmental, impacts that really creates due to natural cause or maybe due to man-made, impact. But in the policy, the implication should be very clearly made that when such events take place, then what kind of remedial, what kind of, rehabilitation should be made by the policymakers. In these cases, I have seen women just don't have any kind of resource to bank upon after their husbands had gone and committed suicide. Mostly they live on the daily wage or the beggary. So we all know in India, 70 to 80% people depend on the monsoon rain for cultivation. And if these kind of impacts are aggravated, added to, then women and the children in the families are the most, vulnerable people for any kind of disaster events. So we must have some community-based program to establish kind of integrated resource mobilization, some kind of alternative measures to fight it back against the climate, impacts or against any kind of disasters that's affecting them.